today we are going to install the dash cam on Volkswagen Ameo. So this we need to stick it here on the windshield. Open that and stick it. This one. So we have removed it, and we have this clip given, so it is stick by double side tape. So now we have this dash camera, so this will lock into that. So you have to just put it inside, push it. Yeah, it's locked. So now we need to do the wiring for this. So this wiring will take it from here, 12 volt socket. We have this turbo 12 volt socket here. So we'll plug it here, and we have replaced this as well. So this is replaced to white color. So these are the bulbs, which this is the old one, that's the LED one. Now we'll do same for the rear. So we'll remove this. Now you need to stick this there. So we'll peel it off. We have stick this tape here. So now we need to take off this double side tape sticker cover. So now we'll stick it here. Yes, now it is sticked here. So we have to route the wire from front to back now. So we'll route the wire. I have done wiring for the front. So the wire is gone here. Underneath, inside this, we have taken the wire from here. It's gone inside this here, and totally inside this. And here is the power connections. Now we'll route this long wiring from front to back camera. So we'll route it and come back. Let's see. Now wiring has been done from front to the back. We have taken it here. We have gone through driver side all the way from this here. We've taken in the back as well. So we've taken inside this, gone inside this here. So from here we have taken it, and the wire is here.